your health may be seriously affected by how you eat eggs. As a high source of protein, eggs are a mainstay of most morning menus, but there have also been some unfounded concerns regarding their possible health dangers. We spoke with Dr. Kellyann Petrucci, a nutrition specialist, to address these questions. Nutrients abound in eggs. Each big egg delivers 6 grams of complete protein and is an inexpensive alternative to meat and fish. Their advantages as far as nutrition go beyond only protein. Choline, a vitamin that supports healthy cell membranes and is essential for gene control, is found in egg yolks. In addition to being essential for mood management and memory, choline may also aid in avoiding anxiety, depression, and memory loss. Other vital elements included in eggs include riboflavin, iron, zinc, folate, phosphorus, and the vitamins B6, B12, D, and A. Dr. Petrucci compares eggs to nature's multivitamin. Some people have cut egg yolks from their diet due to concerns over the high cholesterol content of these foods. These worries, nevertheless, might not be justified. Dr. Petrucci refutes these antiquated notions about cholesterol. Eggs don't dramatically change your cholesterol levels, according to studies. In actuality, they frequently do so in a positive way. Experts from Harvard Medical School endorse this idea. Not the cholesterol in your meals, but rather the creation of dietary saturated and trans fats by your liver, is what mostly determines your body's cholesterol levels. Also, there's no need to be concerned because one egg only contains 1.5 grams of saturated fat. Although eating eggs every day isn't always bad, how you consume them may be. There may be additional health hazards when eating eggs with breakfast meats that are salty, fatty, and saturated. Consistently high intakes of potentially hazardous chemicals are linked to these risks. This does not, however, imply that you must completely abstain from sausage and bacon. The key is moderation. Additionally, Dr. Petrucci suggests that the kind of fat used to cook eggs might impact their nutritional content. She suggests utilizing premium, heat-resistant fats, such as organic, grass-fed ghee or butter from pasture-raised grass-fed cows.